Welcome to the Random Forex Trader episode number 28. Let's go to the charts. So as we've been talking about in previous episodes, this GBP USD, it is going sideways and we're a week and a half into this sideways movement now.
After watching this Random Forex trading series, I hope you understand that if manual trading can be profitable randomly, imagine getting access to an automated trading system which sends profitable trades to your account daily, all on autopilot. If you are ready to stop trading manually and automate your Forex profits even as a prop firm trader, check the link in the description area below or simply visit Forexbitscom for full details. Now, back to the video.
Remember yesterday, let's look at the settings. What I did was I reduced my desired target profit amount to $25. Now, let's go look at the results of doing that. Oddly enough, I took this $33 profit manually yesterday, and then it looks like the system took a $24.60 loss, and I'm not 100% sure why. I believe it's because I changed settings in the middle of some trades already being in play. However, we're still up $1,000 and $1,076 on this account. So although that's a loss, it's not a loss from our overall balance. We're still at a profit on this account. So let's kind of put that to the back burner right now because I want to get a little bit more aggressive and make some changes. So I like the settings that we have right here. Again, I'm going for a $25 profit. Once we get there on any particular trade, it just closes it out and either enters new trades the next day or balances the trades. Now, you'll notice if I look at the particular time, the entry hour every day is 1600. I believe that's 9 a.m. Eastern time. But nonetheless, it's going to be at 1600, and you can change that at any time you want. I'm just doing that when the market opens. New York first open East Coast wise, and there's some activity there, but I'm not saying that's required. It's just when I'm doing it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click save on the time of day hedging EM. I'm going to click save. I'm going to save these settings as what I might call my random trader one set. I already have that saved, so I'm just going to click this and save over top of that, and I'll show you why. So basically what I'm doing is I'm saving these settings I have. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel, and I want to put this robot on some other currency pairs and just up the game, up the movement here. So I already have an idea of the other maybe currency pair or pairs that I want to add to the system. The first thing I'm going to do is look at my analysis account here. Let's go to full screen on the currency selector. So if I sort the currencies by daily ATR, which is daily averaged true range, you'll see that GBP JPY is moving the most right now at 233 pips average per day. And down at the bottom here, AUD NZD moving the least at 69 pips a day. Just as a test, let's go ahead and add GBP JPY and the opposite end of the scale here on the daily ATR, AUD NZD, and we'll trade our daily hedged EA robot on both of those pairs. Just get a feel for what it means to do it on a fast moving pair and a slow moving pair. So I'm going to open up GBP JPY first and add that as a chart. And the next one is AUD NZD, the slowest moving pair. I'm going to go ahead and tile these so we can see all three charts open here. And I'm going to add a template that I have set just so it looks like my first one. It's just a little bit more visual for the videos. I call it basic candles. I'm going to add that to each of these pairs. And you'll notice that template also has the RSI down at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of that on each one. And let's put these on the 15-minute time frame. A lot of crazy movement there on GBP JPY 15-minute, and it looks like some movement here on AUD NZD. But again, AUD NZD being the slowest moving pair out of the 28 standard pairs. Now, all I have to do is add the robot to each of these charts and then load the settings that we've already saved. So it's the exact same settings we have on the first chart here, which is GBP USD. So here's the robot. I'm just going to drag it and drop it on the first chart and load my settings. That's done. Click OK, and then I'm going to load it on this far chart here, drag drop, load the settings, click my set file, click OK, and we're up and running on all three charts. all 3 pairs. And the additional 2 that we added here, the GBP, JPY, and AUD, NZD, those will all go into trades tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. like we have it set and like our GBP USD has been doing. So that'll give us obviously 4 more trades. You get 2 trades per chart, a buy and a sell, and it will balance those. And we'll see, we'll keep an eye on our margin. Right now, our margin is basically nothing other than what our balance is because we have a buy and a sell in play. So that's one of the nice things about being able to hedge. Now, a lot of prop firms, if you're a prop firm trader, is not going to allow you, typically they don't allow you to have more than 1 hedged trade. So you'd kind of be stuck with whatever 1 pair you're in. But here I am adding 3 pairs and a total of 6 trades, and we'll just see what happens with margin. We will make the tweaks from there. So I think this will be pretty interesting to watch. And again, it's all automated. It's also really random because it's just entering a buy and a sell randomly at whatever time during the day and then managing it from there. So that's it for this episode. I'll see you in the next episode.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit Forexbitscom and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now. Thanks for watching this episode of the Random Forex Trade Series. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date on the Forex Random Trader Series success. Leave a comment and like below to be entered to win the copy trade service free for life. Visit Forexbitscom for more. I'll see you in the next episode.